Hello adventurers! Today, we're diving into the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp backpacking and camping stove cooking system, a game-changer for outdoor culinary enthusiasts. This portable propane stove boasts a dual-burner design that can stand alone or connect with other Jetlink-compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner, creating a versatile outdoor cooking range. It includes a 5-liter Jetboil FluxRing camping pot with a strainer lid and a 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan, all of which pack neatly into the included travel bag, setting a new standard for Basecamp cooking. With a powerful 10,000 BTU heating system, it can boil water in just over 3 minutes, making it perfect for melting snow or brewing your morning coffee. The attachable windscreen ensures optimal performance in any weather, and it's regulated for consistent operation down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The system includes a compact folding 2-burner stove, a fry pan, a flux pot with a strainer lid, and a carrying bag with a pocket for the regulator, compatible with standard 16.4-ounce propane bottles. Whether you're backpacking or setting up a base camp, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp stove is your ultimate companion for all your outdoor cooking needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.